Hi y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Charlotte. Today I'm making stamps for my art journal pages and my mixed media art. They are one of the easiest ways to make stamps for your artwork. They are made out of craft foam and meat trays. So in this video I'll be making some birds. So simply draw the design on the craft foam and then cut it out and glue it to the styrofoam. Okay, so this is what craft foam looks like. Any kind of meat tray will work. You just cut it down to fit. And here are some of the ones I've done in the past. Flower. Keep the shapes simple, like circles and squares, hearts. You can do lightning bolts. You can get a little bit more involved, like this one. Okay, so let's get started and watch me make these cute little, simple, easy peasy stamps. Stay tuned for my next set of videos, which will be a series of 4 videos. They will cover 4 easy ways to make backgrounds for a mixed media art journal. The techniques will be color blocking, which I will be using homemade foam stamps, sort of like the ones I am demoing in this video, collage with scrap paper, drizzling with ink, and texture with tissue paper. So that's it. A very simple technique. It's actually a good project for kids to do. So hope you enjoyed watching the video, and I did want to tell you the type of glue I was using, and it's called Golden Soft Gel Matte. So bye, see you next time.